So good. Of course. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Cheers. So amazing. So delicious. Alright, that's it. I am super hungry. Are you guys hungry? If that is a big yes, it is perfect timing that you're watching this video because obviously we're in this kitchen and so of course we're gonna cook some food. And guys, we're gonna use some leftover food that I've cooked this early this morning and it's chicken adobo. Yes, you heard me right. Chicken adobo. If you're a Filipino, you already know what I'm talking about. Chicken adobo. For some, they want pork adobo, but this morning I cooked chicken adobo, so we're gonna use my leftover chicken adobo. If you don't know adobo, you can Google it, you can search it. I don't have time to explain it because I'm really hungry and I'm so excited to cook for you guys. In addition, we're gonna use some leftover rice as well and some eggs. Actually, we're gonna put some twist on it. It's quite unhealthy because we're gonna deep fry our scrambled eggs, but definitely guys, I'm gonna say it, it's really good. Alright guys, I know, for some people they have their own version of their chicken adobo or pork adobo or whatever adobo you want. You have your own version, your mom's recipe, your grandma's recipe, your father's recipe, your dad, your grandfather, or whoever, your uncle, because chicken adobo or adobo in Philippines is it's a staple food for us. But if you guys want to know my own version of adobo, it's actually my mom's recipe. If you're interested to know my recipe, I'm gonna play a video after this to show you how I cook or make my own version of chicken adobo. But if you already have your adobo, you can skip the video. So let's play it. Alright guys, so now you've seen how I make my own version of chicken adobo. It's time for me to introduce myself. If you're new to this channel, my name is Maidah and I call myself the Drunken Chef, so of course. Beer time. Let's rock and roll, guys. Sorry, guys. So first things first, guys, we're gonna take out the meat out of the bones, right? Tear them apart like that. And there you have it, guys. I've shredded all my chicken out of the bones. And right here, guys, I've saved some of the juice of our chicken adobo. Next, guys, we're gonna prepare some of the ingredients that we need, like this cherry tomatoes for garnish. I'm gonna show you why we need cherry tomatoes, but this is optional. It's not a requirement. But garlic, of course, we're gonna need it, and some spring onions. If you guys don't have spring onions, you can use onions itself, red onions, brown onions. It's really up to you, or shallots. So we're gonna prepare this, and after that, everything is gonna be easy. So guys, let's dive into it. And now, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make our deep fried scrambled eggs. Now crack some eggs straight into the bowl. So right here, guys, I got a spider. It's very essential if you want to perfect a deep fried scrambled eggs. But if you don't have it, you can use a spoon. You can drizzle it into the oil. But this one will be helpful and very useful in making deep fried scrambled egg. So if you don't have this, guys, it's totally fine. But if you have this, perfect. So let's just try some of this scrambled, deep fried scrambled egg. Crispy, tastes eggy, but yeah, it's really good. Can't wait to add this on my chicken adobo fried rice. So let's go. So we're using the leftover oil from in our scrambled egg, just a little bit. Now we're adding our garlic first, and then we're gonna fry them like a little bit golden brown before we add all of the ingredients. Put a lot of garlic. As you can see, it's turning a little bit golden brown. So that's the color you're looking for the garlic, something like that. You can see. Now chicken, straight in. And then, of course, our rice in. Add our spring onions. I'm gonna add my adobo juice. Now we're gonna add all of our deep fried scrambled eggs straight in. Next, we're gonna add some salt and pepper. A little bit more salt. Alright guys, you know the drill. We have to try this chicken adobo, deep fried eggs, fried rice. Let's have a try. Ooh, look at that guys. Ooh. This is extremely delicious guys. I mean the texture of the crispy shallots that I put in, the garnish that I added on top, and the spring onions, and having this cherry tomatoes. Narinig ka! Si Gab. It's so good. Number one fan. So look at that chicken adobo. Chicken adobo, deep fried eggs, rice bowl. Really perfect for you guys. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, or midnight snacks. So here we go. Gusto mo? Gutom ka ba? It's so good. Ang sarap.